What a start to the day. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and boy, do I have an update for you. So overall, NASDAQ market is in the green, about 0.5%. But why is the market going up today? That is a question a lot of people are asking. From yesterday's highs to current highs, we're almost forming this overbought reversal. And yes, I do agree that on the 1 hour time frame, especially because we talked about it in our Sunday stock talk, that yeah, markets on Monday when they opened technically were oversold based off of common support levels and resistance levels. NASDAQ markets QQQ tends to find a common support range right around the 595 and a common resistance range right around the 610. With that being said, technically speaking, yes, it was oversold. But I want to understand fundamentally what is driving markets higher, because there has to be good news that's driving markets higher, right? Or not? Let's go ahead and talk about it. First off, maybe it's this. Private credit default rates hit 9.2%, higher than 2008 bank loan peaks. 1.8 trillion in assets, 100 billion in secondary liquidity, and an 18 to 1 mismatch. When exits close, panic starts. That doesn't sound very bullish. Maybe it's this. Breaking Trump's director of national counterterrorism, Kent, resigns. I cannot in good conscience support the ongoing war in Iran. It is clear that we started this war due to the pressure from Israel and its powerful American lobby. That doesn't sound good. Oh, maybe it's this. Definitely this. The 30-year mortgage rate jumps to 6.86%, the highest level since November of 2025. Wait, mortgage rates going up is not good. And oil prices have just gone up, and that's not good. And tensions in the Middle East are still present, but Trump is saying that the war is over. Could this all just be manipulation or just the markets being irrational? But it must get better, because tomorrow we have the FOMC rate decision, right? For those that do not know, tomorrow, 1 hour before the markets open, tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern time, we have the FOMC rate decision, which again, according to this Fed rate monitor tool, there is a 99.9% probability that the Federal Reserve is going to pause. There's now a 0.1% probability that the Federal Reserve is going to raise interest rates. So not even cutting interest rates is on the table. How is that good? But again, if you're familiar with these markets, I don't think that you are very surprised that right before a major economic event or earning report, markets like to go up, as they like to factor things in advance again, and that is why it's often viewed as a leading indicator. So it rallies today, and then unfortunately for those that bought into the hype, once the reports come out and the bad news is present and we begin to retrace, the people that bought at the highs, unfortunately, bag hold into the lows. So again, just please make sure that you do your part in being self-aware of your exposure, but also your leverage. Do not use leverage during uncertain times. And even if you look at the markets tab here on the Moomoo trading application, you can see that literally everything is in the green. And the thing that really stood out to me is that oil and gas are in the green, yet markets are in the green as well. And airlines were even in the green. But wait, oil prices make up about 20 to 30% of airline expenses. I think it's going to be very interesting in the next few days. Please be patient. Let's be calculated. And let's be careful at these technically overbought levels. And yes, for those that are asking, this is, again, the new trading application that I will be using. And this is Moomoo. So if you guys haven't checked it out, you guys don't have to, but they do have a huge sign-up bonus right now. They can offer you up to $1,000 in NVIDIA stock, which NVIDIA is one of my favorite long-term investments. But on top of that, you can also earn up to 8.1% APY. So meaning that if you fund your account $5,000 or $10,000 and you're still learning how to use the platform, just your money sitting in that account will earn up to 8.1% APY. So again, if you want to learn more about it, to see how much you could earn depending on your initial deposit, that is going to be all in the first link in the description down below. Again, it's free to sign up. You guys can check out Moomoo to learn more about it. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I'll make sure that I do my part in keeping you up to date. It's very interesting that during uncertain times, markets love to be super irrational. But remember, they are super influential, especially with Trump's tweets. So although we are seeing a lot of red flags in the economy with different sectors showing concerns, remember that although we can form our opinions on how we think the economy is doing, it's also important to understand the external catalyst or we can receive a tweet from Trump and it can act as a catalyst-based event, driving the markets even higher. So let's be careful. Let's be calculated. Let's not be hopeful. Let's be intentional with the trades we choose to take. Again, if you ever want to watch me trade live, that's going to be the second link in the description down below. You can sign up today and start watching me trade live as soon as tomorrow. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.